Jonte?
How you doing?
Doing amazing, man. How are you?
I'm good.
Awesome, man.
Well,
So, are you from Louisville?
yes.
I remember you.
Yeah,
Got
we
it.
come on and off.
What is
But
up, bro? Louisville.
remember
Sorry.
it was like last month. Me and my partner, we was talking because we was telling you how we was just all over the place. We were doing good, getting deals, but we're just unfunctional. And you told me about the book Traction. Well, I do
Yes.
want to say that book is great. Like anybody who got a business needs to read that book. Like there's no reason for people to sell courses about how to run a business if that book is
Bro, they
a
take the book and create a course. Just they
exactly.
switch names for wholesaling and they put cold caller, but that's what they do. I already told you. This book, it's what all the gurus make it from.
Well, we're getting some VAs to do some calling for us, but what should we give them a script or should we just have it like? Because we don't want the VAs to really. I don't feel comfortable with them pre-qualifying the sellers because we have
Yeah.
people. So like, should we? What should we tell the VAs to say in a sense? Like, I don't know. Like, should we just
Yeah.
be like, "Hey, do you want to sell? I'll have somebody call you," or I don't know.
Yeah. So what we do is we do basically the same thing. With our VAs, they do 2 questions and that's all they do. Again, they won't even be close to your level for wholesaling like real estate like acquisition. So what they do is do the most annoying part about wholesaling real estate. And that is just cold call, mind numbing cold calling just to get a yes. That's all they're doing, right? So that being said, they're asking 2 questions. Hey, are you the owner of address? And are you interested in selling that property? 2 reasons why we do that. First of all, that's the hardest part. If they get a yes, hey, that's great. Someone on our team will get in contact with you. Is this the right number? Because first of all, they have heavy accents usually, so you don't want them talking too much. Just so
Okay.
the seller is okay with it, and they won't really notice it the first couple questions, so it's not a big deal. And second, so you're qualifying them, not them. Because what if they build all this rapport and then they go to you? Then you got no rapport. I'd rather you be the one building the rapport. And then there's just qualified leads going in the Podio or whatever CRM you use. And then all you have to do is like people that want to sell their house. That's acquisition's job. Acquisition's job is not to go find people that are interested. That's marketing's job. Acquisition is just to convert I'm interested into a contract. That's it.
Okay, so should I teach them how to use Podio and like so when they
You
get like say they
could.
get it if they get a yes, should they just like write down the information and like how would that go about?
So there's one. Have you been through freewholesaling.com?
Yeah, well, yes and no. I've dibbled and dabbled.
Okay, go to the Podio section, the module on there. I have a video in there how to create forms on Podio. All you have to do is they have a link. They can create a form on Podio where they got to just put the first name, last name, phone number, and the address and some notes. And they can submit the form. They don't even have to learn Podio. It's a web form and it goes into your leads.
Okay.
And then all they got to do is just put the form in and you're good to go.
Okay. So should I use that same is it pointless to have VAs using the texting? Do you think that's kind of pointless?
No, I don't text with VAs. I have VAs go through my texts to find the yeses and the nos, but I don't have them
Okay.
text.
Okay. Well, I really appreciate you and thank you. Well, actually, thank you for that book. That book was great. So if I can't say you
You're
thank
good,
you
man.
enough, that book really did help.
Dude, it's a $4,000 like seminar just pushed into a book that you can just read back. So it's a great one. Another really good one too is what the heck is the same author. Very, very similar. Just it's got more for vision and it's a little bigger. Not bigger, but it's more concept, I guess. It's pretty good though. I would consider this one too. You get an online copy or whatever. What the heck is EOS? The Entrepreneur Operating System. Very similar. Yeah, so it's for more scaling. So Traction's the best one, but that's another interesting book too. But same author, same concept, but Traction is the GOAT.
Because I just read the EOS Life.
Same thing. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
basically it. The whole EOS system's great. I'm not like preaching it. I don't use it. I don't use Gino's stuff 100%, but I implement a lot of it in my business.
Okay. Well, I really appreciate you, and thank you
Appreciate
again.
you, man. Thanks for watching.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Any last questions before you head off?
No.
All right. If someone's in Louisville, do you have info if you want someone to JV with you?
Well, it's usually best to message me on Facebook. My
So what's
name,
your name on Facebook then for someone to search?
Jonte, Jonte, Golson, Golson.
Oh, awesome. Hit him up if you got a deal in Louisville and help you out. So I appreciate it, man.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks. All right. And then we got Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.